Hi friends, welcome you all for my first ever gaming tech unboxing video on the channel. And today we are going to unbox Samsung SR35 24-inch LED monitor, a budget offering from Samsung. SR35 is a full HD display with 1920 by 1080p resolution. It comes with 75Hz of refresh rate and also with AMD FreeSync technology. When you first open the box, you are greeted with all the necessary information on the installation process displayed in a pictured format which is really easy to understand. In the box, you can find the stand, power adapter, HDMI cable, and finally the power cord. Oops, I almost forgot to mention the most important one, manual and paperwork. Display is really beautiful with great colors and great viewing angle. Look, even my favorite YouTuber looks great now. Finally, for the price, this is a great display and you will enjoy the experience a lot. If you are in a budget but you need a decent display for gaming and casual work, this won't let you down. Thank you for joining. Hope you liked this video. Please give a thumbs up.